saying good morning in a bowl, coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovich. The stuff in this bowl ensures you're gonna have a good morning. Maybe your family, your friends will too. This is my gluten-free granola recipe. I always have it on hand, both in the city and here at the cottage. When people are up for the weekend, I don't wanna have to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and start cooking. People often just take a bowl of this wonderful granola to get started first thing in the morning. I also love having this granola. Throw some fresh fruit on it. I go down to the dock, sit by myself, and start the day in grand style. It is so easy to make. To begin, we're gonna turn our oven on to 250 degrees. We'll be putting 2 baking sheets in the oven, so put your rack on the top and the lower third position. Since we're already at the stove, we're gonna continue and make a real quick syrup. Ultimately, we'll be pouring this over the granola. I have a little saucepan, medium-high heat, 1/4 of a cup of water, 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup, add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Stir everything together. The coconut oil will melt. As soon as it comes to temperature, bring it over to your work surface. Next step, we're taking a big bowl and watch what I put in it. I'm gonna start with 3 cups of gluten-free rolled oats, 1 cup chopped pecans, 1 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut, 1/2 cup of raw sunflower seeds, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/2 cup of sliced almonds, 1/2 cup of raw pumpkin seeds, 1/2 cup of chopped raw cashews, and then last ingredient, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Sprinkle it on top and then give your granola a stir. Now we have that syrup, we're gonna pour it on, grab another spoon and make sure you go right to the bottom of the bowl. We're gonna stir everything up. We're gonna coat the granola with the syrup, and then we're gonna divide it between 2 parchment-lined baking sheets. Divide it and then just spread out your granola into an even layer. Next, we transfer our sheets to the oven. We're gonna bake for 30 minutes. At that 30-minute mark, we're gonna rotate the pans and then bake for an additional 30 minutes, 1 hour total. You're gonna bring your sheets of gluten-free granola out of the oven. Last thing we need to do, I have 1 cup of sun-dried cranberries. I'm gonna split that between the 2 sheets. I have 1 cup of raisins. Pick your favorite. Split the raisins between the 2 sheets. Then we let the granola cool completely. Transfer it to an attractive jar. Put it on the counter. I can grab it, guests can grab it, you can grab it. You can also place this granola into nice little canning jars with a little tag. Take it with you when you go to visit someone. Hey, good morning, I brought you breakfast. What a lovely thing to do. My favorite way of enjoying it is in the bowl with a little bit of fresh fruit. Strawberries, blueberries, bananas work really well. I like to enjoy this with whole milk. You can also do a favorite nut milk. This gluten-free granola even tastes good with juice on it. I'm telling you, it is fantastic. Now, if you're looking for other fantastic things, why don't you head to our dedicated website, weekendatthecottage.com. When you're there, subscribe to it. You'll see this video and a whole bunch of others on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to that as well. And then finally, find us on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Sounds good? It is good. My favorite thing to have for breakfast. So good. Morning. Enjoy it. Good.